Hey there, welcome back. Let us solve this SQL problem, invalid tweets. We have table tweets and the goal is to find the IDs of the invalid tweets. And the tweet is invalid if the number of characters used in the content of the tweet is strictly greater than 15. So if the content has more than 15 characters, then it's considered invalid. In this example, the second tweet has a character length that is greater than 15. So we want that in our output. Let us write some simple SQL. So we need to select the tweet ID from table tweets where the length of the content is greater than 15. This length function counts the number of characters in the provided string. And when we run this, we get the expected output. And let's submit, and the solution is accepted. Now let's edit this test case to include the Unicode character accented E in the word cafe. This is to show you how length function differs between databases with respect to character sets. In Postgres, let's run this SQL with these two functions. Char length gives you the number of characters in a string, and octet length gives you the number of bytes occupied by the string. Let's check the output. Char length returned 31, indicating the number of characters in the given string. Whereas octet length returned 32, indicating an extra byte occupied by the accented character. So to better understand, let's imagine a parking lot with multiple parking spaces for different vehicles. Here, regular cars are like ASCII characters. They take up one standard parking space, basically occupying one byte. Whereas large vehicles like trucks are like Unicode characters. They take up multiple parking spaces, that is, multiple bytes per character. In MySQL, the length function gives you the length in bytes, whereas the char length function gives you the number of characters, irrespective of the number of bytes occupied. So we have 32 for length, which is basically length in bytes, and we have 31 for char length, indicating the number of characters in the string. So if you're using MySQL database, the char length function may be more appropriate in this situation. So for ASCII strings, character and byte lengths are same, and for Unicode, character and byte lengths differ.